The neighbors were amazed. Place this in your home and you'll thank me later. You'll need 3 oranges. Start by taking a knife and making a cross-shaped cut on the first orange. Once you've done that, place the orange into one of 3 ceramic containers you've prepared in advance. Repeat this same process with the other 2 oranges. Make a cross-shaped cut and put each orange into its own container. Next, take a tablespoon of salt and sprinkle it over the first orange. Repeat this step for the other 2 oranges. 1 tablespoon of salt per orange. After that, take some 70% rubbing alcohol. Pour 3 tablespoons of the alcohol onto each orange. This step is crucial because it enhances the effectiveness of what we'll do next. Now it's time to get creative with each container. For the first orange, add 3 tablespoons of fabric softener. For the second orange, add a handful of cloves. Leave the third orange as it is, with just the salt and alcohol. Place the containers strategically throughout your home. The orange with cloves should be placed in spots where mosquitoes tend to gather. The orange with fabric softener should go in the bathroom or any area where you want a clean and inviting scent. The orange with salt and alcohol should be put in areas prone to humidity, such as closets or air-conditioned rooms. This simple yet effective method uses basic ingredients to solve common household problems.